Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly what I eat in a day to stay healthy. So I always start my morning off with some apple cider vinegar. So this is really good. It doesn't taste very nice, but it's really good at improving your digestion. I'm just going to have like a couple of tablespoons in here. You can dilute it with some water as well. It makes it a little bit easier to go down. So I'm just going to have some of that now. Oh. So it's not very nice, but you do get used to it, and there are loads of health benefits to apple cider vinegar. All you need to do is just do some research on it. If you would like me to do a separate video on apple cider vinegar, then I will do. So now I'm just going to make myself a glass of water and also a cup of tea as well. So for breakfast today I'm going to be having a healthy berry smoothie. So I do have lots of different types of smoothies. Today I'm going to be having a berry and banana smoothie. So I've just got this frozen pack of berries here. You can get these from most supermarkets. And then I've also got a big old tub of Greek yogurt. And I'm going to have a banana as well. And then you can either add oat milk, you can add water, you can add strawberry milk, you can add anything that you like. I'm starting off my day with a glass of water, cup of tea and my smoothie as well. So this smoothie is probably one of my favourites to have. So it's currently lunchtime and I'm going to make a salmon salad for me and Sam. So I've just got this salmon here from Aldi, I think I got it from, and then I'm going to do just a salad. So it's just really easy, simple, quick. It's healthy as well, and you've got your protein, your healthy fats and your omega-3 essential acids from the salmon, which is great. So all I'm going to do is pop the salmon on the foil and then just season it. So now that's in the oven, I can start preparing the salad. So it's quite simple, the one I'm going to do today. So let me just show you what I'm going to be putting in the salad. So this is the salad ready. So you can season your salad however you like, either with a bit of olive oil, with a bit of lemon, anything you like. I'm personally going to use this garlic and herb dressing just because that's what I like, but any dressing that you like that you will enjoy with salmon, just add that into your salad. So it's now the evening and I'm going to be making some chicken breast stuffed with mozzarella pesto and tomato, with some roast potatoes cooked with rosemary and garlic, and then some vegetables and gravy as well. So first I need to peel and prep the potatoes because they are what's going to take the longest. So I use the Maris Piper potatoes just because I feel like they are the best for roast potatoes. So I'm just going to peel these, chop them up so that they're all even, and then I'm going to boil them for 10 minutes, and then once I've boiled them, fluff them up a little bit so they're a bit fluffy, put them in a hot tray with some goose fat in there, and I'm also going to put garlic and rosemary in there as well. So while I'm cooking, I'm just going to pour myself a white wine. So the one that's my favourite is the Brancott Estate Sauvignon Blanc, and it is the New Zealand one. So this wine is my favourite, my mum's favourite, and my brother's favourite as well. And I've got these nice wine glasses here. These were from, were these a present?
The wine glasses, yeah, Christmas present.
So a nice glass of wine. Oh, so good. Right, the potatoes are just boiled now, so I'm just going to ruffle them up so that they're all fluffy, and then I'm going to put them in the pan with some goose fat, rosemary, and then some garlic cloves as well. My tip is goose fat, because this just makes roast potatoes the best, in my opinion. But you can use alternatives. If you're vegan, vegetarian, you don't have to use goose fat. It's just my preference. So the potatoes are in the oven. Roast potatoes are my favourite thing to cook at the moment. I just love doing them. I make them how my mum's always made them, and to me they're just the nicest. So I'm just going to have my wine for a bit, and then I'm just going to start preparing the chicken. So what I'm going to do is just slice in half the chicken breast, and then put in some pesto, and then some mozzarella slices, some tomato slices, and then a bit more pesto, and then pesto on the top of the chicken as well, and then just pop those in the oven. So I got this inspiration from Niall Kirkland. So if you follow him on Instagram or YouTube, he does loads of different cooking videos. Definitely check out his channel, because I get a lot of my inspiration for foods that I cook from him. So that's what I'm going to be recreating tonight. So this is the chicken ready to go in the oven. I'm thinking about maybe sprinkling a little bit of cheese on top as well, but I also added some salt, pepper, paprika to the chicken as well, oh, and some chili flakes as well. So they're now ready. I'm just going to add on some gravy. So that is the end of my what I eat in a day video. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, because it really helps me out. So thank you for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye. Bye.